So second sum, that is just a revision of yesterday's sum. One electron and one proton are at certain distance, and we have to find out the ratio between electric force and gravitational force. Okay, so electric force upon gravitational force. We know that electric force equals to k q1 q2 upon r square, where q1 and q2 both are E. Here we are considering only the magnitudes. Okay, and gravitational force is gm1 m2 upon r square, so gme mp upon r square will be cancelled. So k e square upon gme mp. We can use here value of k, but in our textbook they have considered epsilon naught. So I have used here k as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon gme mp. Okay, so equals to e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught gme mp. So e square is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 square. 4 pi is 3.14, 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Me is 9.11 into 10 raised to minus 31. And mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. This data is given in your textbook. Okay. So this will be 2.56 into 10 raised to minus 38. This multiplication, this 4 into 3.14 into 8.854 into 6.67 into 9.11 into 1.67 will come 11284.695 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12, minus 11, minus 31, minus 27. This division will be 0.0002268 into 10 raised to minus 38 plus 12 plus 11 plus 31 plus 27. So it will be 0.002268 into 10 raised to, this will be 43. Okay, so can be written as 2.268 into 10 raised to 39. Thus, electric force between an electron and proton is 10 raised to 39 times gravitational force between them. Okay, again repeating, the electric force between an electron and a proton is 10 raised to 39 times stronger than gravitational force. Okay, now let us consider two protons, okay, at certain distance. Okay, and we have to find out the ratio. Find the ratio of electric force and gravitational force for two protons placed at certain distance. Okay, so see here, we know that for two protons the charges are E. Okay, these are two protons at distance r, but charges are E. So electric force, value of electric force is k square upon r square. Okay, but here for gravitational force we have to consider mass of proton and again mass of proton. So it will be mp r square. Okay, so r square will be cancelled. Here it will be mp, here again it will be mp. Okay, here again it will be mp. So just this mass of electron we have to remove, and in that place we have to put here mass of proton. Okay, so this number will change and accordingly the answer will change. Let us calculate. Actually you should calculate at your place, but I will try for some problems, not for all. Okay, again 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 8.854 multiplied by 6.67 multiplied by 1.67 multiplied by 1.67, and that comes 2068.654 into 10 raised to minus 12, minus 11, minus 27, minus 27. Now let us divide these two. Okay, so 2.56 divided by 2068.654, that is 0.01237 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 38 plus 12 plus 11 plus 27 plus 27. Again this is the ratio, so it has no unit, force upon force. Okay, so can be written as 0.001237 multiplied by 10 raised to now power. Okay, so 27 plus 27 plus 11 plus 12 minus 38. So that comes, repeating, 27 plus 27 plus 11 plus 12 minus 38. Okay, that is 39. Can be written as 1.237 into 10 raised to 36. Thus, the electric force between two protons at a certain distance is 10 raised to 36 times stronger compared to gravitational force. Okay, bye.